Good morning. It is the morning of Wednesday, the 19th of August. It's about 5:40 a.m. here on the West Coast. And I did want to actually talk to you guys about the Citadel. It looks like the Citadels are coming. Was it Bitcoin Time Traveler? I'll do a whole separate video on the Bitcoin Time Traveler, but there was this post on Reddit back in like 2012 or 2014 or something crazy where like this guy like created a fictional story, but it seemed very real about the future of Bitcoin and how citadels were going to form, like little Bitcoin cities, Bitcoin countries. It's going to be a fun post when I read the whole thing to you guys, but for the time being, Akon, the former rapper, is ready to build a $6 billion cryptocurrency city. Akon City, a futuristic cryptocurrency-themed city founded by music mogul Akon, is ready to begin construction in Senegal after securing $4 billion from investors. The city will exclusively use the Acoin digital currency and plans to have parks, universities, schools, stadiums, hotels, and more. It will be the de facto currency in a Senegalese city he's constructing on land donated by the government. Will cryptocurrencies become the tool that put African nations on the path to overcoming their economic challenges? The breakdown you need to know. Acoin is now part of the nearly 1,600 cryptocurrencies trading around the world in an industry with market capitalization of more than $267 billion, according to data from CoinMarketCap. The digital currency was originally announced in 2018, and Culture Banks reported that along with this team, they plan to build a whole ecosystem around Acoin, including construction of the city and initiatives to support young entrepreneurs. Quote, Acoin is a cryptocurrency powered by a marketplace of tools and services fueling the dreams of entrepreneurs, business owners, and social activists as they can connect and engage across the rising economies of Africa and beyond, according to the project's website. More than 60% of people in Africa are under 25 years old, unbanked, and heavily rely on mobile phones to do everything. This means Acoin could really take off across the continent, since 6 of the 10 fastest growing economies are in Africa. In 2034, Africa is expected to have the world's largest working age population of 1.1 billion, according to the World Economic Forum, okay, which also projects that the continent's consumers will spend $2 trillion by 2025. Crypto city concerns. Many African governments have expressed skepticism about the viability of cryptocurrencies. Zimbabwe's Reserve Bank banned from banks processing digital currency payments, only for the country's high court to reverse the order. South Africa's Revenue Service recently published guidance on how it would tax cryptos, sparking debate about their classification. Kenya's central bank has Kenya's central bank has slow-walked issuing regulations on cryptos. All of this skepticism relates to concerns these countries have about the riskiness of digital currencies and the potential for people in these countries to lose money. While it may seem far-fetched to some people, integrating blockchain technology into city building has been gaining traction in recent years. Though none of the projects have been successfully realized yet, time will tell whether cryptocurrencies like Acoin will bring stability to African economies or leave consumers wishing they had kept their money in traditional currencies. What's next? Akon joins a host of other celebrities involved in cryptocurrencies. For example, Nas is an investor in a crypto trading platform, Coinbase. Yeah, good for him. The Game is on the advisory board of Paragon, a cryptocurrency startup tailored to the marijuana industry. Akon City Phase 1 is expected to be completed by the end of 2023. It will include road construction, Hamptons Hospital campus, a Hamptons Mall, residences, hotels, a police station, a school, a waste facility, and solar power plant. Phase 2 will run from 2024 to 2029. Will you be visiting? So here's the thing I don't understand. Why is he using his own coin? Why isn't he just using Bitcoin or Ethereum? I'd be so much more inclined to support this and even believe this if he was using a more well-known cryptocurrency. Instead, he's using his own coin and touting how good it is. It's like, dude, where is your coin? Let's see it. See if I can find it. Okay, Acoin. It's an untracked listing. What does that even mean? So it's like not on the market, I guess. Acoin.io, One Africa, One Coin. I don't understand why they need It seems weird if you ask me. I don't know what to think of that. It makes me a lot more skeptical of the fact that they're not using some type of coin that we know. Anyway, in other news, Bitcoin pulled back a little bit and the bull run is slowing. Pullback now expected. Okay, I don't know if I actually agree with that. It dipped a little bit, but I don't know if there's going to be a major pullback. Let's see. Bitcoin could be set for an imminent retracement as the uptrend that had its origins in the Black Thursday crash now looks to be running out of steam. Singapore-based QCP Capital warned its Telegram subscribers Wednesday that Bitcoin was showing signs of lethargy as it struggled to capture any new highs. Bitcoin fell below the key 12,000 milestone on Tuesday, pouring cold water on hopes earlier this week for a major bullish breakout. Okay, it's really not that bad. I don't even know if this article's worth talking about, but this is what CoinDesk writes. Bitcoin jumped over 12,400 on Monday, confirming an ascending triangle breakout and signaling a continuation of the rally from the July lows of sub 9,000. But the breakout failed to invite stronger buying pressure and prices fell below 12,000 on Tuesday, invalidating the bullish setup. Chart analysts consider a failed breakout as a sign of bullish exhaustion, a slowing of price gains usually coupled with weakening buying pressure. Monday's breakout of 12,000 was almost entirely short squeeze driven, and the resultant failure just ahead of larger offers at 12,500 has solidified the price range of 12,500 as a key resistance area for an extended period. Bitcoin may have a tough time establishing a foothold above 12,500 in the near term as bullish positioning in the market is starting to look overstretched. Open interest in Bitcoin futures on major exchanges rose to record highs of just under $6 billion on Monday, up 200% from the March low of $1.93 billion, according to data source Skew. Such bloated positioning often leads to deeper price pullbacks, more so in cases where it's accompanied by overbought readings on technical indicators. That seems to be the case as the weekly chart relative strength index has crossed above 70, a sign that the rally may be overdone. Chris Thomas, head of digital assets at Swiss Quote Bank, also thinks the rally in both BTC and DeFi-related coins has gone too far. It's natural that we are seeing profit-taking and weak buying at higher levels, Thomas said in a LinkedIn chat. Bitcoin is trading near 11,800 at press time, representing a 3.4% drop on a 24-hour basis, according to CoinDesk's Bitcoin price index. The cryptocurrency is feeling the pull of gravity after failing to keep gains above 12,000 for the second time in 3 weeks and may suffer a bigger drop if support near 11,600 is breached. On the short-term charts, we see 11,600 to 11,700 level as the new key short-term pivot to watch, failing which we will likely get our anticipated retest of 11,000, QCP Capital noted. That said, the broader outlook will remain bullish as long as prices are held above the former resistance-turned support of 10,500, originally the February high. A sell-off below that key support looks unlikely as inflation expectations in the U.S. are rising as rumors abound that the Federal Reserve may soon signal tolerance for higher inflation, meaning the central bank would keep interest rates low even if inflation rises above 2% target. It's probably no coincidence that Bitcoin's correlation with gold, the classic inflation hedge, has started to strengthen in recent weeks. Yeah, I agree with that, but I also don't agree that Bitcoin is going to see a major pullback. I mean, I could be wrong about that, but I'm way more bullish than these guys are. We'll see. All right, well, gold slipped a little bit. Markets are open just a little bit under 2,000. Silver is still doing really good, in my opinion. Not too late to get silver eagles, folks. And here are those cryptocurrency prices. I mean, 11,800. That's great. $413 for Ethereum is great. Ethereum slipped back down to 29 cents, but no biggie. Chainlink is actually the only one of these that's up a little. Crazy Chainlink. Cardano, 13.2 cents. Like, I'm kind of wondering why. Like, I thought Shelly was going to really propel this thing. It seems to not be doing much so far. We'll see. Tezos. VeChain. Yep. Yeah, it's mostly a sea of red. A couple things in the green. Yeah, no big deal. Watch it go back up next week. That's my prediction. Anyway, you guys have a great day.